This time around on this video, I just wanted to show you a quick tip. This is a Renault Clio. It's probably a winter beater or something. Anyway, this video is not about the car itself or any electronics. It's just about a quick tip on how to fix the grayish plastics on these cars. Not painting or anything. All that you need is just a simple torch like this one. This is a map torch, so you should be careful with it. Butane torch or propane torch will work perfectly as well. It's even easier not to break anything. So let's just go on and do it. As you can see, you start to get it all. This car, it's not worth the hassle, but anyway, just for the sake of this video, I'm doing it so you guys can see. Forget all those Chinese products they are trying to sell saying that it will look as new. Nothing beats a good old flame torch, as you can see here. Okay, so this one is all scratched, but it doesn't matter. Look at the difference. And look at it. All dirty and everything, I know, but as soon as you wash the car, well, you should wash the car first and get it dried and then do this intervention. Let me see on the other side. Well, it's just as bad. Let me try and do this one for you guys to see. You don't want to spend too much time on the same spot, otherwise you're going to melt the damn plastic, especially because this is a French car and it always happens. Well, I'm gonna leave it as is, like this, so you can see the difference there. Again, a bit more. So yeah, guys, as you can see, this works. It lasts as long as as long as it did the first time, and hopefully it helps someone trying to get their car looking better. So yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, please don't forget to subscribe. And okay, so see you next video.